Hi everyone, thank you for joining our Wagemaster tutorial for this week. Today we will be going through a quick video on linking your WageEasy file to your Agrimaster Plus account and also creating a WageEasy company file. So let's jump right in. I've got a WageEasy software installed on my desktop, as you can see. So we've covered, if any of you doesn't know how to install the WageEasy on your desktop, you can try one of our previous videos. We covered this last week. So once we've got this file ready, we also need to make sure that we do have an active Agrimaster Plus subscription on our file, which you can discuss with the support team if you don't know if you've got an Agrimaster Standard or Agrimaster Plus. So you need to have one of those ready before you do this, and then you download the WageEasy on your computer. Okay, so let's just jump right in, assuming we've got all of those things which we have on this test file to show you and demonstrate it. Let's just jump into WageEasy Payroll. So just click on the file. You get a prompt. Do you want to join WageEasy? Go yes, and that brings up our WageEasy software for the first time. Before, obviously, assuming we've never used it before, so this is our WageEasy software. Now, right on the top, you will see an option called File. Let's click on File, and then we go New Company. So this is the first thing you do in WageEasy after the install. And that should bring up this account here. It'll bring up a wizard to set up a company. So we'll go next. What country? So obviously it's going to be Australia. And then you have an option to fill up all these details. So I've got some of the dummy data here. So I'll put that in quickly. Name of the company. Got Wagemaster Proprietary Limited, which in your case is going to be your company name. Trading name will keep the same, but again, in your case, it could be different. And then ACN, I've got a dummy ACN here. ABN, it automatically picks the ABN, but if you have a dummy ABN, if you have the different ABN to your ACN, you select that as per your information. Number of employees, you can leave that to 5 because as WageEasy customer, you only get 5 employees on your file. But as an Agrimaster Plus customer, you get up to 30 employees. And for that, you don't have to do anything. So that's automatic. So at this stage, you'll also have a client ID, which will be given from the support. Once you decide to join Agrimaster Plus account, you get a Wagemaster client ID automatically from the support team. So I'm assuming at this stage you should have this by now. If you don't have it, you call the support number. And we go next. This is the date, so we'll leave that to default date because usually 30th of June is when your file starts. So in every new financial year. So select green to just tick the box that the dates are correct on top. Go next. Contact name. So let's just put in address. Just put in all these details. Postcode 603. So I'm assuming you should have all of this information for your file. You just put in the right information. I'm just putting in the test data. Go postal address. Most of them will be same as the company address. If it's not, you can untick this and you can put your postal address there. Then you go next. Now, all of these details, we can fix this later. This is for email delivery, so we won't touch it just now. It's asking the settings for the email address that I've just put in. All of these basic awards, so we'll leave that as is again. And just go yes here. Now, pay frequency, are you doing it weekly, fortnightly? So you can select if you know one, otherwise you can just randomly pick one. This can be changed afterwards. So the first pay on fortnight basis, I'm just going to select today. So I'm assuming that today is the 6th of the 9th and my next PP is going to be fortnight from now. If it's something else, then you select whatever it is. Otherwise, if you select something, you can change it later. Next. This is where this file is going to be stored, so I will save it on my desktop so I can show you. So I'll go on my desktop and just save a Wagemaster file there. Okay. Next. And now it's creating my company file. Yeah, so it's going to give you this prompt. Once the company file is created, we will now print the registration form for you. This is a form that you need to send to us so we can register you for single touch payroll. So if you go OK, it's going to give us an option to save it as a PDF depending on your printer settings. So normally by default you might have your printer here for you to print it out and then scan and send it to us, but you can also save it as a PDF on your desktop, so you can email it to the support team and we can get you registered for single touch payroll and get you those details. So at this stage I'll go OK and I'll save this on our desktop as the name of the company. So let's just save it to desktop so we can attach and email it to the support, which is us. So I'll go Wagemaster Pty Limited. That's the name of the company, so we'll save it with the name of the company. Let's go save. Just wait for the setup to complete. This might take a little bit of time because it's just updating all the tax tables, awards, the basic standard awards that come with the file. So we just need to give it some time. And there we go. So we've just created a WageEasy basic company file, and you can open this in the database now. So if it's asking, do you want it open? So you don't have to. You can just click on finish. And I should have a file on my desktop. Let's quickly have a look if we've got that file saved, and then we can close WageEasy. I've got that Wagemaster Proprietary Limited on my desktop. So I will, yep, that's good. That's saved, which is perfect. I'm just going to close everything now once I'm sure. So you close. At this stage, the form that we've just saved, we will be sending it to our support team so we can get you registered for STP, Single Touch Payroll, through Access Group, which once they register you, they send you an email to your registered email where you can put a password for your Single Touch Payroll. So once we've done this, we jump back into our Agrimaster Plus account, which I'm assuming is already set up by now. We have a file that's got that ready. So let's open Agrimaster. So we've got a test file here with one of our staff members. So if I open this file, at this stage on your computer, you should only have an Agrimaster file in your file manager. There shouldn't be any Wagemaster file. I'll click on that, and also you'll have this link as Agrimaster Plus subscription does not have a Wagemaster file linked. So that's the file we just created. If you don't have this link and you've already saved your WageEasy file, then you need to contact support. We need to make sure that you have the right subscription for Wagemaster. So that's when you contact us through a ticket or give us a quick call. Let's click on this. If you do have this, so we just click on this, go select, and we look for the file we just created, which is right here, Wagemaster Proprietary Limited company file. Click open, and now we upload this to the database. So that now what it's doing is the file you just created, it's just uploaded that to the cloud, and it's ready for your Agrimaster Plus subscription. So after it's uploaded it to the cloud, just refresh your file manager. I'll close it and reopen it, and there should be a file that should appear which will say Wagemaster. So it's got the different logo to Agrimaster. So if I just go in here, now I can basically open it from the cloud, and I can also delete the shortcut on my desktop. I don't need this local desktop application anymore. So go delete, and then go back to my file manager. So obviously we just need to open this file now. So let's go and open it. As soon as we do this, it creates a temporary license for 30 days. While you've emailed us the company registration form and we get you set up for STP, you can still use the file and do your wages in the time being. Go yes. And there we go. It's just opened the file, but it's just asking for us to register for the license. So I do have a temporary license on this file, which is a prompt that you get as soon as you open this file, it'll say the license expiry is in next 30 days, because in that period you need to get registered for single touch payroll, and also we need to get your license key sorted, which we do through our support. So we've got a very good process and it's quite smooth and easy. So once we give you that license, you just go into help on the top, go into show license. This is your temporary license. Go next, enter a license key that you'll receive from us, put that license key next, and that'll give you your 1-year license, which is going to sync with your subscription. So that's how you set up your WageEasy file for the first time with your Agrimaster Plus subscription. Once this is done, your file is ready to be used. You can do your payroll and you can follow the rest of the videos to what to do next, how to set up employees and the rest of it. Okay, so that was a quick video on how to set up your company file for Agrimaster Plus subscription. Thank you everyone for watching. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles. We've got plenty of help article on this, or book one-on-one consulting. Usually if you're a new Wagemaster customer, we also do a payroll assist where we set up your file right from beginning to all the way to doing the first pay run with you. So we give you plenty of training sessions with that, and also we make sure that you have all the questions answered before you start doing your wages. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.